Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. When you have created a project in After Effects and want to export it in GIF format, there are a few steps you need to follow. To begin, select Add to Adobe Media Encoder from the Composition drop-down menu. In the Output module, choose the Animated GIF format. Next, if we click here, we enter the configuration options. When working with GIFs, we should not use very high resolutions. If we deactivate this box, we can easily reduce it so that our GIF weighs less. Also, from here, we can lower the frame rate to reduce the size of the GIF even more. We give the file a name and save it in the desired location. We click on the render button and voila! Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.